Video today about making a DIY free flow exhaust for your Sea-Doo Spark. I'm gonna do this for about $20 with some pretty simple materials real quick. Let me show you what we got over here. So far this is what I had laying around, along with this hole fitting that I got on eBay. Got that for $5, so if you shop around a little bit you can usually find them pretty cheap. First off, let me go ahead and give you all a sound comparison on that stock exhaust. See y'all how it sounds on the GoPro. Have a comparison for the end of the video. Pretty noisy, but popping the back off, it's a little bit tricky. I was able to get it by myself, and now I got full access. Go ahead and drill out this rivet right here, and go ahead and remove the stock exhaust. So what I had here, I just kind of mocked up on my own, but it's not going to be quite long enough. I am going to keep using PVC though, just to keep it cheap, because schedule 40 temperature rating is about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and they say that this section of the exhaust only gets to be about 100, so I don't see any issue with running that, considering the stock exhaust was plastic anyways. But I did have a couple couplers and this little section of bend here, hoping that would pick it up enough to where it wouldn't kink the stock coupler at all, although I'm sure a little bit wouldn't hurt anyways. But yeah, I'm gonna reuse the original ring that came with it, so that fits right on there. They're all the same size, same thread, after 1997. So whatever one you could find as cheap as possible on eBay. Real quick, you might need to shave down a couple little tabs on here. Go ahead and run some silicone around the edge, since normally, you know, come with a new seal or something with the exhaust kit, but a little silicone will work. Well, that's the finished exhaust right there. Got it angled in a little bit, going back towards the water box. But yep, if I was gonna just order this from scratch, just get a 2.5 inch 90, and then one of those 2-foot 2.5 inch pipes with the 45 inch bend in there, and you could probably have it done for about $35, along with one of those hole fittings, about $35 total. A couple hose clamps, and it sound a little better, nice and cheap. Alright, so I got it all finished up now. Toss the back on. It's pretty easy to get to it that way. I guess it's a little simpler than taking the top off. Try to get a sound comparison real quick, even though it might not sound all that great with the driveline noise and everything like that. Big noticeable difference. Yeah, one last thing is you're going to want to drill a little hole and put a new screw in there. Make sure you silicone it, get all the couplers nice and tight. Main thing is that 2.5 inch piping will work, and you're going to want about at least 1.5 feet. You know, you get the 2 foot piece of pipe, it'll work good, because this right here is about 1.5 feet. And I'm testing it with the PVC because this is plastic. So I went down and got a 1-foot-long piece for $1 at the local hardware store. See how it turns out. Give it a shot. Like I say, I mean, you get that aluminum 2.5 inch piping for 20 bucks on eBay, and you definitely won't have a problem. I'm just gonna try this PVC out, see what happens. Extra budget, like. Anyway, appreciate watching the video, and catch you later.